How to fix Sons of the Forest Virginia stuck on wall. To fix Sons of the Forest Virginia stuck on wall, try the steps below. 1. Keep sleeping if it's the winter season. 2. Get a gift for Virginia. 3. Go towards her. Hint, Google how to get Virginia as a companion in Sons of the Forest. Other tips. 1. Search the abandoned helicopter covered with leaves and search all the boxes around it. 2. Load a previous save. Hint, a stick bed is another way to save your progress in Sons of the Forest. 3. Update your game in time.